Have you ever heard of the term street smarts? How situational awareness may save your life. Have you ever had a moment where you just knew something was wrong? A gut feeling so strong it made your skin crawl? For me, that moment came on a quiet, ordinary night. A night that could have ended very differently if I hadn't trusted my instincts. Today, I'm going to tell you the story of how situational awareness saved my life. And by the end of this video, you'll see why this skill is so powerful and how it can protect you too. It was a rainy night, and I was walking home after a late meeting. The streets were empty, and the only sound was the patter of rain against the pavement. I remember feeling uneasy, but I couldn't pinpoint why. Then I noticed something. A car parked at the end of the street with its engine running. The headlights were off, but I could see the faint glow of a phone screen inside. Something about it felt off. I kept walking, but I made a mental note of the car. A few steps later, I heard the engine rev and my heart started racing. I didn't run. That would have drawn attention. Instead, I turned into a nearby store, pretending to browse while keeping an eye on the street. The car drove past slowly, and I saw the driver scanning the sidewalk. I waited until they were gone before heading home, taking a different route just to be safe. The next morning, I saw a news report. A woman had been attacked just a few blocks from where I'd been walking. The description of the car matched the one I'd seen. That's when it hit me. My situational awareness had saved me. That night changed everything for me. I realized that situational awareness isn't just about noticing danger. It's about being present, trusting your instincts, and understanding your environment. Here's why it's so powerful. 1. It keeps you safe. Whether it's avoiding a potential threat or navigating a crowded street, situational awareness helps you stay one step ahead. 2. It sharpens your decision-making. When you're aware of your surroundings, you can make better, more informed choices. 3. It builds confidence. Knowing you can handle unexpected situations gives you a sense of control and peace of mind. Along the way, I found inspiration from people who've mastered this skill. Gavin Becker, his book The Gift of Fear, taught me to trust my instincts and recognize subtle warning signs. Colonel John Boyd, the creator of the OODA loop, observe, orient, decide, act. His work on decision-making is a cornerstone of situational awareness. And Amy Herman, her book Visual Intelligence, showed me how to notice details and improve my awareness in any situation. Their wisdom helped me see that situational awareness isn't just a skill, it's a lifeline. That night taught me something I'll never forget. The world is full of subtle cues, and noticing them can change everything. Whether it's staying safe, making better decisions, or just feeling more confident, situational awareness is a skill worth mastering. If this story resonated with you, let me know in the comments. Have you ever had a moment where your instincts saved you? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SkillUp today for more life-changing insights. Let's grow together. See you in the next video.